Let's go, drop that beat.
I woke up this morning like I gotta get going. Tomorrow's not promised, so I live in the moment. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. I woke up this morning like I gotta get.
Hi guys, this is Reborn Mommy, and today I'm back with a video. So today I'm going to be cooking with my Reborn Toddler, Kamari. She's right here. She is so cute. So I'm going to show you guys today what we're going to be cooking in this video. So yeah, we're going to be boiling some shrimps and some sausage and some corn, and I got some potatoes over here. So basically I have to get the potatoes washed and cut, and I gotta cut up the sausage also. I have the seasons right here that I'm gonna be using to ball the shrimps in. So right now, basically, y'all, I am just letting my water boil. I put it on high. I put the stove on high, so I'm gonna let it boil. But when it come down to boiling, I always boil my potatoes first because the potatoes take the longest for boil. That's what I do first. But I'm about to cut up the sausage. Even though, when this water get hot enough, I'm going to add the potatoes, and then I'm going to add some seasoning. But I'm about to cut up the sausage right now. Alright, y'all, so y'all, this lighting is so freaking terrible. Alright, y'all, so I got Kamari. I'm holding her right now. So basically the potatoes is boiling, and that's what we were waiting on, for the potatoes to boil. Basically after the potatoes boil, I can't talk. After the potatoes boil, I usually put the corn and the sausage in, and then the shrimps go in last because shrimps don't take long to boil. They take like 5 to 10 minutes to boil, and it's done basically. But I'm just showing y'all like how I boil my food in the house, because I'm from Louisiana and I like seafood. I love seafood. Yeah. Yeah, I bought these mini made popsicles from Walmart. Not Walmart, Super One, and it tastes really good. tastes so good, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. It tastes real good. But right now, it's just balling. So y'all, I had to bring out my studio light, cause that light sucks. So y'all, I'm just about to stir this. So basically, I think the potatoes is done because they literally too soft. So I'm about to go ahead and add the corn and sausage into there right here. I don't wanna. Alright, so we're gonna let that settle down in there for a little while, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimps. And I'm not putting all of the shrimps in this pot because that's dead. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more seasoning. So y'all, I overcooked my potatoes, but it's all Gucci, y'all. But we gotta let this settle. I know y'all looking at this like, this is so nasty, like. But if you from Louisiana, you know that this is some good stuff. My potatoes overcooked. So we're gonna let this settle for a while, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm basically done cooking, and it kind of went to a fail with the potatoes, but everything looked Gucci, you know. Let me see, let's move this over here. But we got corn, we got potatoes that basically overcook, and then we got all the shrimps right here, but excuse the potatoes, y'all. So, but basically, y'all, this is the end of the video. Don't talk about my potatoes, period, because whatever, I like my potatoes soft anyway, but the thing's too soft. But as long as my sausage and my corn good, then it's all good, baby. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video with me. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Woke up this morning like I gotta get going. Tomorrow's not promised, so